Day 2 of making a game.
Last time we struggled to implement springs, so we'll jump right back in with some fresh eyes. The main issue is that our reference point, Toyful's very valet, has two different types of springs. The first is what we're using for the bounciness of our capsule, a simple spring that outputs a force following Hooke's law. Toyful's dedicated tutorial on the second type of spring, well, that's a different story. These springs follow a damped, simple harmonic motion. It's not the most confusing thing to understand, but the math behind it isn't exactly fun either. After 3 rewatches of the tutorial and some light perusing of the comment section, we got it working, with a little help from some rudimentary graphs I made. Next, I spent some time building a system that lets multiple things be affected by the output of a single spring. For our slider, it looks like this. Move circle sends its position to a spring controller, which sends a normalized value to the Y transform and debug graph spring listeners. We can tack on any other listeners we need. All in all, it feels a little clunky and perhaps over-engineered, but we'll save refactoring for another day. I'm not sure how I want to go about normalizing values whose limits are constantly changing, like the camera's position as it follows the player. We'll add that to our to-do list, and that's why I'm feeling tentative about